Good day, ma'am. So our topic is all about 20th century literature. Literature of the 20th century refers to world literature produced during the 20th century, 1901 to 2000. The main periods in question are often grouped by scholars as modernist literature, postmodern literature, flowering from roughly 1900 to 1940 and 1960 to 1990, respectively, roughly using World War II as a transition point. After 1960, the somewhat malleable term contemporary literature widely appears. Although these terms, modern, contemporary, and postmodern, are generally applicable to and stem from Western literary history, scholars often use them in reference to Asian, Latin America, and African literatures. Non-Western writers, in particular, post-colonial literature, have been at the forefront of literary evolution during the 20th century.
Who is the most famous artist of the 20th century? The most famous artist of the 20th century is arguably Pablo Picasso. He produced one of the largest bodies of work, 20,000 drawings, paintings, and sculptures by any individual artist. His collections represent a wide variety of styles, the most impactful of which was Cubism. What is the most famous painting of the 20th century? The most famous painting of the 20th century is possibly Guernica by Pablo Picasso. Its modern, abstract style channels raw human emotion in a way that touches the heart of humanity. It is a large, mural-sized painting that influenced many modern artists of the 20th century in both Europe and America. In conclusion, 20th century literature reflects the complexities of the modern world, tackling themes such as social injustice, technological advancements, and existential angst. Through this work, authors captured the essence of their time, leaving a lasting impact on readers worldwide. And I thank you.